So we've walked about 2 kilometres, I reckon, and yeah, it's been interesting seeing the houses and seeing the market, seeing the night market, but it's not night, it's day, there's nothing there. Then the day market, all the stuff. Got some pictures on the way back. And now we have this wonderful overpass, which wasn't here last time. God knows how we got across that road. There's a little tunnel somewhere. Can't remember where it is. And there they are. It's the big deal. That's what everyone comes to see, apparently. It used to be the tallest building in the world. Doesn't look like that tall because it's got lots of other tall buildings near it. But by itself it would be very impressive, I'm sure. Actually, it is impressive. So let's go through the walkway and see what happens next. Definitely wasn't here. They just opened in 2020. So would have been nice to have had that last time. Oh God, don't know how we got across that road. We got across. There's a tunnel. And some nice chef lady showed us and took us into the bowels of the car park of the Petronas Towers. Anyway. So we've reached it. And it's so much easier getting in. God knows what we did last time. They didn't have that walkway. That made a massive difference. And it's across the road. So we're in the building. You can feel the air conditioning from outside. So we're now heading into the shopping centre entrance. And this is just ridiculous, this shopping centre. Ridiculous. So all the Ramadan sales are on. Here's the fountains, and at night time it has a symphony and the colours change. It's actually quite good. So it's a nice little paddling area. And bridge. Yeah. Well, we've left the towers and heading back, walking back to the hotel. It's quite hot. Stopping for some water on the bridge, which is such a good idea, this bridge. So we're thinking that must have been what all the houses were like around here. At least I hope so. Before, we ended up with these things. Everywhere. Everywhere. Going to be walking through where the night market is, and there'll all be food stalls later. So if we come back tonight, there's going to be food everywhere. So should we come here for dinner? I think we should come here for dinner.
I'm hoping to get to street shops.
Yeah. This is the day market, and I think we probably won't go through. There you go, 1 kilo.